practice for the last 35 years, and this is very exciting phase for homeopathy, and things are developing and evolving at a very exciting pace, and I am very happy and feel blessed that I'm being part of that and coming to the Swara Gurukul. This is my fourth time, and every time I feel that spending 1 week here is more than my 7 months, lonely effort for learning and refining homeopathy skill and sources. So this is a very very useful 1 week that I look forward to. And this time something exceptional is happening because now it is us. We are doing a study of a super class and subclass in homeopathy, and this is the first subclass and superclass. And so today we have completed the first superclass, which means about 8 orders of plant remedies, which is more than 25, 30, 40 remedies, and some of the animal remedies and analogous mineral remedies. So this is a huge sort of compilation of medicines which we are studying together, differentiating them. And so this is just a prototype, a template that is giving us a way to sort of how to study further, do second group and third group and fourth group, and come to that way the whole materia medica comes into that capsule in a nutshell. And this is very very useful, and I don't have enough words to say thanks to Dr. Shekhar and whole Swara team. They leave no stone unturned to make each student clarify personal doubts and learn. This is a very different place, and I am very happy. I want to thank Dr. Shekhar and the whole Swara team from the depth of my heart for this gift that they have given us. They are giving us without any selfless sort of teaching. Thank you so much.
Hi, so I'm Dr. Bindu, and I'm here this time for the workshop on Plant Kingdom Subclass 1. I have participated in other workshops here. They have always been very very enriching about the knowledge, but this one in particular has been very clarifying for us. How Dr. Shekhar has simplified the concept of first what this subclass 1 is all about, how do you identify in the patient in your cases, and then how each order and the families show the features of the subclass also, and what are their individual characteristics. So once you arrive at knowing that this patient perhaps or does belong to the subclass, then which one out of the 8 orders, and subsequently which family, and then finally which medicine does it belong to. That whole concept has been clarified very well by Dr. Shekhar. It was giving, whether it was giving the keywords and how those keywords got illustrated in the cases, it just came alive so well to explain the whole thing. And then sir would take up the concept, explain 3 families, then the similar features, and then the differentiating features, and again highlighting what was the most outstanding feature for that family, and then the remedies. So well supported by the cases that we got the whole concept so easily and so clear. I really feel very satisfied to have joined this time, gotten so much out of this workshop. And I do hope that this journey continues and we get to see all the 6 subclasses, and thereafter how the commonalities between them and their individualizing features and how the journey continues through the subclasses. Really looking forward to all those also.